In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy a board in Miro. Copying a board is helpful when you want to reuse the same layout, run the same workshop again, or create a clean starting point without changing the original. The duplicated board keeps the content and structure, so you can edit the new version freely. To begin, open Miro and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you can see your boards. Make sure you are in the correct team or workspace, since boards are organized by team. If you have access to more than one team, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the team where the board you want to copy is stored. Once you are in the right place, locate the board you want to duplicate. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar in the dashboard if you have many boards. When you find the board, look for the duplicate option associated with it. In many dashboard views, this is available from a menu on the board tile, often shown as a small set of 3 dots or an actions menu. Select Duplicate to start the copying process. This step tells Miro that you want to create a separate version of the board rather than opening and editing the original. After you choose Duplicate, you will see a prompt where you can confirm the action. Click Copy to finalize it. Miro will then create a new board based on the one you selected, depending on the size of the original board. This may take a few seconds. Once the copy is created, you should see the new duplicated board appear in your dashboard. It is often labeled as a copy of the original name, so it is easy to recognize. If you plan to keep both boards, it is a good idea to rename the new one right away so you do not confuse it with the original later. Open the copied board to confirm everything transferred as expected, including frames, sticky notes, images, and any other content. You now have a copied board that you can edit, share, or move forward with while keeping the original intact. And that is all there is to it.